to the shop. I'm Scott, and Tara is floating around here somewhere. Say hello, Tara. Yeah, she's way out there. Today we're going to be making a stand for my grinder. We're going to make a pedestal stand for my pedestal grinder. Well, it'll be a pedestal grinder when I get done with it. And I've looked all around the shop, and I can't find anything. Sorry for the lighting. Best I can do. Alright, there we go. Alright, so you take all your hair off your head, your hat don't fit anymore. So I bought this muffler, put it on the truck. It's a brand spanking new Thrust Cherry Bomb, but nobody's gonna buy it. It's cut up, so I'm gonna use it as a column for my grinder. And I don't know if you can see over there, right there. Oops, come on, finger. All right, come on, right there. It's a little slow reaction. Right there, those two rims welded together. It's going to be the firebox from a vertical smoker, but I'll make a traditional square firebox for it. And I'll probably set it on top of that and have a pedestal grinder. Redneck Engineering. Hey, Harold, that should be up your alley. Alright, so we're going to loosen our saw clamp like this. Alright, never mind. And I'm going to cut the end of the muffler off so that I can shove the new pipe up in it and weld onto it again, because I don't feel like grinding any of this mess off. Let's take the safety shield off. Alright. Yep, there we go. Now we're going to weld up our muffler. We're going to put our little pieces on there and some more steel. We're going to tack this up. I'm just going to tack a couple of tacks around. I'm not going to try to take the time and effort to make it tight. Obviously it's not doing anything but becoming a stand. So I got on my welding attire. Trust me, I play a welder on YouTube. Now let's see if I can weld this up. I think I need a new pair of pliers. All right. took me a second to get the stupid thing to turn back on.
Watch out!
Alright, so there's that. Let's lay that over here. See if I That was my son just called me, trying to fix the antifreeze. I got a lot of wire build up right there. That's just because I just can't move that fast. My eyes are bad. As long as it's structurally sound. This isn't a welding instructional video. Keep your welding comments to yourself. That's crooked. Exactly what I wanted. I hate flux core. I hate flux core. Alright. So let's see just how bad that is. Oh, that'll be beautiful. Beautimatissimus. Alright, let me have the that piece of steel beam down there. That's the one. Alright. Here, you go get us something to drink, baby. Bam! I gotta get up. Time to cool off my head. That works so good, that'll give you a brain freeze. It blows up under your hood and all down the back of your neck. I'm sorry, I'm gonna enjoy that again. Okay. Now all I gotta do is go measure my grinder. I'm forgetting something. I feel like I'm getting ready to go into surgery. So, Tara, if you'll get me the little square, and I have the soapstone. So we need 8x7 or 14. I was going to go 14, I'll tell you why. The whole grinder's 14. If I wanted to make tool rest, welded onto the base, I have to have a base to weld them onto. So, but it's not long enough. Thank you. Alright, so 7 by 14.
7 by 14.
Alright, give me a Sharpie. Alrighty. Now we're back to cutting out the base for the thing, getting the plasma cutter all set up. I'm going to freehand this with a guide, but I freehand it, and it should come out pretty good. I hope I got the camera glare fixed. It was smudged up with grease from my fingers. I had this all figured out to a science one day. Y'all not going to be able to see this, but it's for me to, just a guide. So I got to get that set right there, and that set right there, there, and there. That's what I like.
Are you the man?
Alright, that's enough. I like that. When you cut it,
Hey, the next little frame.
bam! Hey, look, I framed you. Oh, that's hot, baby. You don't want any part of that.
I never
Look at here. When it cuts smooth, that's a nice clean cut for freehand.
Yeehaw!
I wish you could get that grinder down. That looks pretty square. Let's check it and see. I don't think you can get it down, baby. I just need to mark it. Let's see how bad that, how square that is.
Perfect, right?
Well, it's wavy, but it's square enough. All right, so actually what we're going to do is we're going to now find. Get them in here a little bit. Where's my piece? All right, well, we're going to find the center, baby. We're going to find the center.
Oh, I know you like an X or something?
Yeah, not like an X, exactly an X.
Exactly an X, and then you in the middle of the X is the center. Sharpen it.
Yeah, you ain't got to go all the way across the center, just right there.
Okay.
You don't need welding gloves on to do that either. Sure.
Do you need sleeves?
I'm not going to take them off, I'm going to weld again here in just a second. Alright, so there's that. Now,
And like,
alright, now look. Our pipe right here,
okay.
our pipe is 2 2 1/4. What's half of 2 1/4? We actually need a new Sharpie for this, so I can just hand me a Sharpie. What's half of 2 1/4?
2 1/4 is 1 1/4.
No. 1 1/4. What's 2 times 1 1/4? What's 2 times $1.25? What's $2 and 2 quarters?
$2 and 2 quarters is $2.50.
Right. So 2 times 1.25 is 2.50. 2.50 is the decimal equivalent for what?
4 inch.
Quarter inch.
Quarter inch.
Okay. So half of 2 1/4 can't be 1 1/4. Half of 2 1/4 is 1 1/8.
1 1/8. Got it.
So we're just gonna come right here off that center. We're gonna go 1 1/8. We're gonna go back 1 1/8. And now we're gonna turn it. Just crude.
1 1/8.
1 1/8.
1 1/8.
1 1/8. And just a little square that pipe will set in. And I use the thing to line it up. So, yeah, I could drill this in the drill press if I knew exactly. Alright, so what I need to do now is I need to go find out how big my holes are, because I may want to drill that in the drill press before I weld it.
Alright, be careful.
I'm coming right over there with you. Alright, from center to center on the holes, it is 7 3/8. 7 3/8. I mean 6 3/8.
6 3/8.
6. Just line up there. 6 3/8.
Alrighty.
6 3/8.
6 3/8. Alrighty, let's do this.
Watch out.
Bring the plate over here.
Huh?
So bring the plate over here.
Well. You get this where it's supposed to be?
Do you need anything for it?
No.
Back up.
I tell you what I need to do. I need to set a center point.
A center point.
Yes, because the drill bit tried to dance all off on me. Yep, went right in the hole.
Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed our video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out other videos on our YouTube channel and comment down below. And feel free to share our videos with anybody else. And until next time, get her done!